Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School which is situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with the hard words of your chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, before starting this, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So, students, in this chapter, we studied about need for a house. So, students, everyone needs a house to live in, and house keep us safe from hard weather, wild animals, dust, thieves, etc. So, students, in this chapter, we also learn about material used to build house. So, to build house, we need many materials like bricks, wood, cement, steel, stones, glass, mud, straw, blocks of ice, etc. In this chapter, we also studied about types of roofs, flat roof and sloping roofs. So, we make flat roof on the plains, and sloping roofs houses are found in hilly area. Next topic was types of houses. So students, in explanation of this chapter, you studied about the two types of houses, pakka house and kacha house. And some other example of houses are temporary houses and permanent houses. So students, the last topic of this chapter was clothes we wear. So students, people wear different kinds of clothes in different kinds of seasons. Like we wear cotton cloths in summer season because they keep us cool, and we wear woolen cloths in winter season because they keep us warm. And in rainy days, we wear a raincoat because it protects us from getting wet. Some people wear uniform like students, police, doctor, nurse, etc. So students, the cloth we wear should be washed regularly. So, this was a summary of the chapter. Let's come to the hard words. Students, you have to write this in your copy. You have to mention chapter number 7, house and clothing. You have to mention date and SW also. And you have to make 2 column, word, the second column, meaning. In the column of word, you have to write the words, and in other column, that is in the meaning column or below the meaning, you have to write the meaning of the words. So the first word is weakest. So students, weakest means not strong. The second word is protect. It means safe. The next one is different. It means not same. The fourth one is type. The meaning of type is kind. So the next hard word is build. It means to make. The next word is blocks. It means big piece. The other word is easily. It means not hard. The next word is sloping. It means slanting. The last hard word is plains. Places that are not hilly are called plains. Now let's come to the exercises of this chapter. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with correct words. So students, here two options are given in each sentences. You have to choose the correct word and fill in the given blank. Houses in the plains have blank roofs. So student, here two options are given, flat and sloping. So students, you know very well, houses in the plains have flat roofs. So you have to fill here flat, F-L-A-T, flat. The next sentence is houses on the mountains have blank roofs. So students, in this explanation of this chapter, you studied that the sloping roofs houses are found in hilly areas, means mountainous area. So here our answer is sloping, S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. Now let's come to the third one. People living in places where it blank a lot make houses on blank. So students, in first blank the two options are snows or rains. So students, people living in places where it rains a lot make houses on slopes or stilt. Here our correct word is stilts. So you have to write here stilts. People living in places where it's rain a lot make houses on stilts. Now let's come to the fourth one. Houses made from blocks of ice are called houseboats or igloos. So students, you know very well, igloos are houses made from blocks of ice. So here our answer is igloos, I-G-L-O-O-S, igloos. Now let's come to the last one. Houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary or permanent house. Temporary houses. So students, here our correct word is temporary. Houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary houses. So students, the example of temporary houses are karwa, tent and houseboat. So students, the remaining exercise of this chapter we do in the next video. I hope you understand the hard words and this filling the blanks by this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to do your homework regularly given during live classes. Okay, thank you students. Bye and take care.